Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Ubuntu packages using apt update, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your terminal. You can do this by searching for terminal in your applications. Once your terminal is open, it's time to ensure your system has the latest package information. Type the command sudo apt update and press enter. The sudo command grants you administrative privileges. You might be prompted to enter your password. Type it in and press enter. The terminal will now connect to the package repositories. It will download the latest package information. You may see a list of packages that have updates available. Once the process completes, you'll receive a summary. This summary will indicate how many packages can be upgraded. To upgrade these packages, you can use the command sudo apt upgrade. Type that command and hit enter. You will again be prompted to confirm the upgrade. Type Y and press enter to proceed. The system will now download and install the updates. This process may take some time, depending on your internet speed and number of packages. Once completed, your packages will be up to date. To ensure everything is installed correctly, you can repeat the sudo apt update command. This confirms that no additional updates are pending. You successfully updated your Ubuntu packages using the apt update command. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.